During last week's cold weather outbreak, a question I got pretty frequently was, what do the now much cooler waters out there in the Gulf mean for the upcoming hurricane season? Is this going to help us for hurricane season? Well, let's take a look at those water temperatures. And yes, they are a good deal lower than normal. You can see numbers in the 50s and 60s offshore here of southwest Florida, which even for February is well below average. We're talking 10 to 15 degrees below normal right along our coastline. So yes, that cold spell really did a number on those water temperatures. Note though, that is just close to the coast. As we zoom things out, you can see that is a small, thin slice of the Gulf at large. And once you get a little further off to the west, lots of oranges and reds out there. The bulk of the Gulf is still running above normal temperature-wise. Big part of the reason why, something called the loop current, a warm water current that comes out of the Caribbean, loops up through the Gulf, and then back southward here and out the straits into the western Atlantic as the Gulf Stream. I think we're actually seeing the remnant sort of eddy of a former loop current out there in the western Gulf as well. So bottom line, the water is still quite warm overall. Furthermore, even our slice of cooler waters, we've got a long way to go before we get to hurricane season, even more so to the peak of hurricane season. We have the rest of winter, the rest of spring, all of spring, and most of the summer for those waters to warm. So what I would say is, let's see how things play out in the next couple of weeks, next couple of months. Then we'll have a better idea of what those water temperatures, if they stay cool, what they would mean for at least the early part of hurricane season. As we switch our view, water temperatures in the Pacific, much more of interest to me when it comes to the forecast for hurricane season. So right now, this area I've circled here to get your bearings, there's Central America, there's South America, there's Mexico. This area of waters here, this band, is what we look for what's called the ENSO cycle, the stage of La Nina, El Nino. Those water temperatures cooler than normal, meaning a La Nina is in place. We look for these water temperatures because the phase of what we call the ENSO tends to steer global currents, causes impacts on the local climates across much of the area. Well, while we're in La Nina right now, all signs point to an El Nino potentially developing by hurricane season. I know this is sort of a confusing chart here, a lot of lines. What you got to know, this line right there would be El Nino. These are forecasts. Just about all of those lines go toward or even into what's considered El Nino by this point in time right here, August, September, October, the peak of hurricane season. Just about everything shows an El Nino being in place. And that would be welcome news. Generally speaking, an El Nino means higher than average wind shear across the Atlantic during hurricane season. Wind shear helps to weaken and tear storms apart. So generally speaking, look back through history, El Nino means less activity during hurricane season. Of note, though, the last three El Ninos didn't necessarily play by those rules. 2015 did. We had well below average activity with a strong El Nino that year. 2018 was around average. 2023 broke the mold. 20 named storms formed, even though an El Nino was in place. Furthermore, both 2023 and 2018 brought major hurricanes to Florida, Idalia and Michael, respectively, even though an El Nino was in place. So bottom line, even if one does form, we'll still be keeping a close eye on things for you. Of course, still a long way to go in the off season before hurricane season does begin. 111 days left until hurricane season begins on June 1st. One last point about La Nina that's in place right now. When it is, we tend to see drier than normal winters. Certainly been the case so far this winter and certainly going to be the case in the near term. No rain whatsoever all the way through the weekend here. Look at your Gulf Coast 7-day forecast. Looks like classic La Nina weather. It's dry, it's sunny, and it is warm all the way through Saturday and Sunday. Highs back in the 80s. Next best chance for rain, not until Monday. It's your forecast from Gulf Coast Weather.